And now, it's time for the Sea Lion Splash.
Welcome to Sea Lion Splash. I hope you have a fun day. Have a nice day.
This is Sea Lion leader Lucas Katz with this week's announcements. Winter is here. Make sure you dress for those cold early mornings. Also, remember to keep track of those jackets and hoodies so they don't end up in the lost and found. Sea Lion Chorus is on Monday at 2:30. Today is College Day. Show your university pride by wearing a college shirt. Pageant rehearsal is on Thursday after school. McGaw Idol audition videos are due on Friday. Make sure you send in those music files to Mr. Larson for review. Have a great week.
The McGaw Sea Lions have an attitude of gratitude during the month of November. Here are some words of gratitude from our Sea Lion leaders.
I have gratitude for the jesters because whenever they come into my classroom, they read me a story and they kind of make me laugh and they make it really special for me.
I got a robot. Kindergarten.
In kindergarten, our winner is Kai Shinagawa. Mrs. Olveda says that Kai was a big help on a busy pizza day by picking up cones off the tables. Thanks so much, Kai.
First grade.
Ms. Bassich is super excited for first grader Harrison Seamus. She says thank you, Harry, for encouraging a friend and helping him to finish his run.
Second grade.
Ms. Olveda is excited for Everly Pearson. She says thank you, Everly, for helping on Green Team.
Third grade.
Ms. Bassich is excited for Robert Delgado Brown in third grade. She says he was a great leader and friend in music.
Fourth grade.
Ms. Olveda wants to shout out Camden Cockrell. She says thank you for volunteering on the Green Team.
Fifth grade.
Ms. Wood wants to shout out fifth grader Gabe Bale. She says that Gabe stopped to check in on an adult who was bumped by a bicyclist after school. Thanks for doing the right thing and checking in on our community member. And there you have it, McGaw. Now remember, listen to your teachers, follow instructions from your parents, take a risk, and I'll see you on campus. Bye!